Breaking news. The Philippines is in critical talks with Japan to acquire advanced, long-range air defense radars. Manila urgently needs to close dangerous blind spots in its airspace. New Japanese radars promise to extend the country's vision far beyond its shores. This deal is a proactive step to deter aggression and ensure stability. Stay with us as we break down the impact of this pivotal defense move. To grasp the importance of these radars, we need to understand the Philippine Air Defense Identification Zone, or PADIZ. PADIZ is a massive, invisible shield where all aircraft must identify themselves. Established in the 1950s, its purpose is national security, giving the Air Force time to react to approaching aircraft. Over the decades, enforcement waned due to lack of resources, leaving the country vulnerable. Unidentified aircraft could enter airspace without challenge, a major gap in defense. In 2022, the government re-established and expanded the PADIZ, signaling intent to control its skies. But declaring a PADIZ is one thing, enforcing it requires robust radar coverage. Radars are the eyes of the air defense network, detecting threats long before they reach Philippine shores. Without comprehensive radar, PADIZ is just a line on a map. The current system, while improved, still has limitations and blind spots. The PADIZ covers not just the archipelago, but also vast surrounding waters, including the West Philippine Sea. Effective monitoring requires a powerful, overlapping network of radars, something the Philippines still lacks. The new Japanese radars are designed to fix this vulnerability. They'll turn the PADIZ from a concept into a concrete, well-guarded reality. That's why this radar deal is so critical. The Philippine Air Force operates radar stations at key locations, forming the backbone of air surveillance. These radars feed vital information to command centers, distinguishing between friendly and unidentified aircraft. But the network is stretched thin. Covering a nation of islands with one of the world's longest coastlines is a huge challenge. Existing stations provide good local coverage, but significant blind spots remain. Adversaries could exploit these gaps to approach undetected. Recent years have seen reports of unidentified aircraft near the country's exclusive economic zone. Without overlapping radar coverage, tracking these targets is extremely difficult. It's like guarding a massive house with only a few cameras. You're blind to the sides. Acquiring more radars is an urgent necessity, not just an upgrade. The goal: a seamless, integrated air picture with overlapping coverage and no gaps. This would transform air defense from a porous net into a solid wall of surveillance. Only then can the Air Force achieve true situational awareness. Japan has become a steadfast partner in the Philippines' air defense modernization. The two nations share values, geography, and security challenges, making Japan an ideal ally. In 2020, Japan delivered 4 advanced Mitsubishi electric radar systems to the Philippines. The JFPS-3ME fixed long-range radar at Wallace Air Station became operational in 2023, enhancing coverage over the West Philippine Sea. 3 mobile JTPS P14ME radars provide flexibility and rapid deployment. Mitsubishi Electric's technology is world-class, reliable, precise, and resilient against jamming. The JFPS-3ME can track multiple targets at long range with high accuracy. For the Air Force, this has been a game-changer. The positive experience is why the Philippines is turning to Japan again. Japan offers not just equipment, but training, maintenance, and a deep understanding of regional security. This is more than a transaction. It's a strategic partnership. Trust and shared interests are the foundation of these negotiations. The success of the first radar project has set the stage for the next phase. High-level talks are underway for at least 4 more long-range radars from Japan. The goal: replicate the Wallace Air Station success at other strategic sites, eliminating remaining blind spots. Both governments have publicly committed to deepening defense cooperation. The new deal will likely mirror the first, with government-to-government terms and favorable financing. Using the same radar family streamlines maintenance and training. Every day without full coverage is a day of vulnerability. Urgency is high. All signs point to a future where Philippine skies are guarded by a powerful, integrated radar network. This next phase is a critical step toward a complete air defense shield. Strategic placement of new long-range radars will transform Philippine air defense. A radar in Palawan covers the Kalayaan Island group and the West Philippine Sea, turning blind spots into zones of awareness. Northern radars extend vision into the Luzon Strait, a key international waterway. Southern radars secure the Sulu and Celebes Seas, areas vulnerable to transnational threats. Placing sensors at the edges pushes the defensive perimeter outward, giving more time to respond. Mobile radars add resilience. If a fixed site is down, a mobile unit fills the gap. This flexibility ensures the network can survive and operate under pressure. The ultimate goal, a fully integrated air defense system, or IADS. Every radar, command center, and interceptor is linked, sharing real-time data. Japanese radars will be the cornerstone, feeding high-quality data into the network. This means faster detection, more accurate identification, and quicker response. It's the difference between scattered flashlights and a fully illuminated stadium. Integration is the key to modern air defense. A complete radar network is a powerful assertion of sovereignty. The Philippines can monitor and control its airspace, sending a clear message: its territory will be respected. When an unidentified aircraft enters the zone, the Air Force can launch interceptors with confidence. This is effective sovereignty in the modern age. A robust radar network is also a strong deterrent. Potential aggressors are less likely to test boundaries if they know they're being watched. Deterrence is about preventing conflict before it starts. These radars are tools of peace and stability, not offense. Radar data can be shared with allies, enhancing regional security and coordination. The Philippines becomes a vital provider of security, not just a recipient. A strong radar network is also the foundation for future missile defense. Investing now lays the groundwork for defense against tomorrow's threats. It's a forward-looking investment in national security. Building a comprehensive air defense network is a major investment, but the cost of insecurity is far greater. The first radar package from Japan cost about $100 million. The next will be similar. For the price of 1 or 2 naval ships, the Philippines can achieve persistent surveillance over its entire territory. Radars are force multipliers, making every jet, ship, and soldier more effective. The network provides foundational awareness for all military operations. Japan often offers favorable financial terms, making these deals affordable. This partnership helps the Philippines secure the tools it needs. The alternative, being blind in our own airspace, carries immeasurable risks. Lost resources, sovereignty challenges, and potential conflict are the real costs of inaction. These radars are not just expenses, they're insurance for the nation's future. It's a necessary investment for security and prosperity. The growing defense partnership between the Philippines and Japan is reshaping regional security. What began as economic aid has evolved into a full-fledged strategic alliance. The radar deals symbolize this deepening bond. Cooperation now includes joint exercises, policy dialogues, and capacity building. Japanese forces train with Filipinos, and new agreements make future collaboration easier. The radar network enables both nations to respond together in a crisis. Looking ahead, this partnership will likely expand to other defense areas. The trust built through radar projects paves the way for broader cooperation. Ultimately, these radars empower the Philippines to defend its skies with a trusted friend at its side. They are the silent sentinels of sovereignty and a symbol of a peaceful, secure future for the region.